Did you know that you can now schedule an email in Gmail and cancel it or do it other time? So this is what you do. Log into your Gmail account. So in this case, I'm logged into my Google account here. Now I want to go to the compose button to create a new email. So let's compose an email here. Once this loads, I'm going to type here the address that I want to send this email to. So let's say I want to send it to a personal email. And then I'm going to type the subject, just test email again. Then I'll say, hello, this is how you schedule an email in Gmail. Now once I've done this, if I want to have attachments, you should have already known how to do that. I can just attach an image. For instance, I click on this, go to something like the desktop and pick any random image here, attach it. Then I can also go to add a link if I wanted to, but the most important thing here is that instead of clicking on send, I can click on this drop down here and click on schedule send. Once I click on schedule send, I can choose the already created time. Tomorrow morning, that's a day from today, this afternoon, Monday morning. Now these are preset created, but if I want to select my own time, I can just pick a date and time, and say I wanted this to go out on the 1st of January. Then at what time do I want it to go out? Maybe just say at 7 a.m. Then I'll say schedule send. So once I've done that, to view scheduled emails, just go to your left hand side. So in this tab here you have inbox, stats, news, and then you have scheduled here. So you can click on this here and you see there is a scheduled email. Now you can cancel this. You can cancel this email here. Now when you click on delete, it will go back to draft. You can undo that, so you go to drafts and then you check it out. But instead of deleting that was when you should click on this part here, either snooze or just click on the email itself, and then you can resend it. You can like make edits, especially if you notice you left something or you didn't add a person that you wanted to add as a copy or as a blind copy. You can change that and then you come back and reschedule. The only thing is that if you go to it after the scheduling date has passed, you will not be able to send it. But before that, you can make edits, you can cancel an email, and you can change recipients of that email. So that is how you schedule an email in Gmail.